Good morning, friends. How you doing? It's Heather at Bush Poppy Farm. I was going to go out to the farm today and try to get a little bit of work done in advance of the rain, but it's already starting to sprinkle and it's going to be a muddy mess. So we're going to wait till the rain is done. So in the meantime, I'll be taking care of a few odds and ends, but I have two packages here that I wanted to open with you guys. This one is from the Gardener's Workshop, and I get a lot of my supplies from there. The Gardener's Workshop is the first place I ever took a flower farming class, and I've learned a lot of stuff from Lisa Mason-Ziegler. So check them out. Great company to support. All right, so what did I get here? So I got a new soil blocker. I still will use the small one that I have for, small amounts, but this one is a big one and it's heavy. So you can see all of the squares there. It's wrapped up right now. This is called the Swift blocker. It's called that because you can get a lot of blocks made all at one time. So I'm not sure exactly how this gets used yet. I have to read the instructions, but I think it's 72. And two of these will fit great on one of my 1020 trays. And it comes with a couple of extra parts. And it also came with blocking mix nutrient. So there's just a couple things I need to add to that, but that's kind of nice to have. And then I bought a few trays. This soil blocker fits perfectly. So one tray, one Swift blocker, and that's 72 blocks made almost instantly. So it'll be a faster process. All right, this next box, we're actually gonna open outside because I know it's gonna make a big mess. Okay, so this box is from Mountain Crest Gardens. I'll link them below. It is succulents. And I saw Laura at Garden Answer open a couple of boxes of these, and I thought, oh, those are gorgeous. And I always buy succulents. I always have new succulent gardens going on. So I thought I would check them out, and I did, and I love the product. So the top of this box is just full of peanuts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go dump those out first, and then I'll show you what's in here. So here's what I got. This is the MCG Super Succulents set. There's 25 in there, and they're all different. And then this is the label for you so that you can know what each one of them is. I'm gonna need to clean them up a little bit, but these shipped amazingly well. They were covered with shredded paper and then packed in peanuts, and this box got delivered upside down to my house and they still look this good. So okay, so then this little guy is the terrarium succulent set. There are 4 types in there, and they have IDs on them. And then this one is the Easy Indoor Succulent Set. There are 16 types in there. So the reason I chose those is I definitely need to, once the rains are over and it starts getting warmer, when I bring out my current succulent gardens that are in the greenhouse, I'm gonna have to plug a bunch of holes. And so this tray is gonna be great for that. I mean, there's some really beautiful ones in here. A lot of my favorites and some that are new. And then I wanted to do, so the reason I got this indoor selection here, I mean, a lot of these could be outdoor grown as well, but I got this selection because I have a whole bunch of big glass bowls and jars that have had air plants in them, and I want to switch things up and make them succulent containers. So we'll be working on those over the next couple days while it's pouring rain outside. And then this little guy, this pack here, This is for a terrarium specifically. So I also have designs on what I'm going to make with these as well. So great prices, really wonderful plants, and they have a whole bunch of really cool collections that you can choose from, or you can mix and match and make your own box. So I would highly suggest, I mean, these came, they look beautiful. I am going to give them all a good watering though, because they definitely need it. I need to grab a couple trays for these guys that are in cardboard boxes because they can't live like that. And they have their own tags, so I won't have to worry about messing up their spacing. But everybody's really dry, so I'm going to give them a little bit of water, and then I can start playing with them tomorrow during the rainstorm.